Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the video. Today it's going to be part 5 of getting started in the stock market follow along, and today it is July 26th, 2021. Just for the record, I'm recording this video before the market opens on the 26th. So yeah, anyway, let's get into the first slide. So this is a quick review of all of the stocks we're trying to get for the portfolio. These prices are kind of old, June 2nd, 2021. And also, quick update on this info. Here you can see I took a screenshot. This is from, I think, Google Finance. It shows the earnings calendar for Teladoc, American Tower, and Amazon. And you can see that these dates right here, July 27th, 29th, and 29th, they are different from the ones that I have written over here. And why is that? That's because these dates, I got these dates maybe I think, oh yeah, it's written right here, June 2nd, so several days ago, and it was from an investing app that I use on my cell phone, and I'm assuming that those dates on the cell phone, it's just like the best estimates that they have, and the official date wasn't announced yet. So if you try and get those dates like way ahead of time, like maybe Q1 just finished and they reported their earnings for that quarter, and the company is supposed to release earnings on a certain date next year. Like they haven't announced the official release date for those earnings, and whatever date you find on the investing app on my phone, that's just an estimate. So it's likely to change. So the gist of it, just keep up to check Google Finance as you approach the earnings date because the date might actually change. But yeah. Oh, also, some news came out last week for Nvidia. There was a 4-for-1 stock split, so I'm in the process of changing that for my stocks in the Google Sheets. Here you can see where is it? Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia here. The price was 819 on the second, but since there was a 4-for-1 stock split, you gotta split this in half. So this one stock that costs 819 gets split into 4 shares, and yeah, you just have to divide it like that. So that's the quick update on the stocks. And next one, this is what the plan was for July 19th to 23rd. I deviated from the plan a little bit, so I'll get into that here. Originally, I wanted to spend $1,550 on AMT, but I changed that and on Monday to spending 1,550. I've divided that by 3. I wanted to spend 1/3 of this amount on AMT, another third on TTCF, and the last third on CRSR. And why is that? Well, let me go to the charts for TTCF and CRSR. Not that. Yeah. So Corsair, you can see on the 19th, it was down 2.63%, and it was at 28.56. So I was looking at the stock for a while, and I don't think I've ever seen the stock go below 30, like since maybe, I don't know, early this year. It's been a while since I've seen it go below 30. And when I saw that, I was thinking, okay, I could either stick to the plan or I can try to time the market. Since I said this week I'd be trying to time the market, and in my head I was thinking, all right, let's say maybe a couple weeks from now, if I look back to this date, knowing what I did, would I regret it? Would I regret like just passing it up, like oh, just don't forget about Corsair, I'll get it another time, or would I think like, oh, I should have gotten it at that price. It looked pretty good. I would I would have regret if I didn't buy it. So it just looked like too good of a deal at the time. So that's why I decided to get some Corsair instead of getting more AMT. Same reason for TTCF. Like everything was going down. Like not everything, but a lot of the stocks were going down, and it didn't seem to be company specific. It seemed to be just like um, due to the market risk, like the whole market is down, so everything's down, and it has nothing to do with the company. Those are the times when you want to buy on the dip, when the market is down, but the company itself, like there's nothing wrong with it. Those are like excellent times to buy. So yeah, same thing with Tattooed Chef. I saw it below 20, and it went down 3.75%. So I thought that was a pretty good deal right there. So that is why I decided to get TTCF and CRSR instead of just going all in on AMT. But I did get some AMT. You can see here I got 2 shares. I got it. I was trying to get it at $280. I was able to get that on July 20th at 11:13. And yeah, that's it for AMT, TTCF, CRSR. The rest I got Etsy, Match, and Teladoc. Let's see. Let's take a look at Teladoc and Match really quick. I think I got everything. Yeah, here Match went down 4.56% at the time. So I was thinking that's almost close to 5%. That's a pretty good drop. I'm just gonna get all of the match that I intended to get for that week on Monday. So that's what I did. I got everything on the 19th. Same with Teladoc. Teladoc, oh, that's Etsy. Teladoc here, you can see it was down a little bit, but 145, I thought that was a pretty good price. I usually saw it at around maybe 153. So I figured I'd just go all in on that for this week. As for Etsy, you can see here I wrote down that I was going to get roughly $1,775 worth of the stock, half on July 19th. So the reason why I wanted to get half on July 19th versus everything on July 19th is because you can see it was actually, it didn't really go, it went up like a little bit, but it was kind of flat. And I wasn't sure if it was gonna go down later in the week or go up more in the week. So I figured, you know what, I'll get half now and then see what happens over the next few days. So that's what I did. I got half at this price, 184.47, and then I think let's see, the rest I got on the 19th. I was trying to time Etsy later on. Like I saw it on Tuesday. On Tuesday it was going up more. I had a feeling that hey, maybe it'll go down back to 185. If it doesn't, worst case scenario, I'll get it all on the 23rd, like right before market close. Long story short, ends up the stock just kept going up and up and up. Actually, let me see if I can show you that. Do I have a? Yeah, so this is a screenshot of Etsy for the week. Let's see, Monday. Here I got it. I think around 180. Like I got it around here, and then at this time, let me zoom out a bit. 6 months. I thought that maybe it would go back down because it was at 185. I thought it would go down maybe like 165 after that, but in the end, it just kept going up and up and up. So let me zoom in a little more here. Went up and up and up. At this time, I was thinking like, oh, it'll go down. Oh, it'll go down. Oh, it'll go down. It'll go down. It'll go down. But this week it just kept going up. I was like, you know what? It kept going up. Maybe it'll keep going up in the future. So, like I said earlier, if you want to try and time the market, give yourself a deadline. The deadline was Friday at market close. So deadline hit. I just got it at whatever price it was. Buy at the top. Don't be afraid to buy at the top. Winners win. They keep on winning. So don't be afraid to buy at the top. Let me show you a quick screenshot of the Google Sheets. And this is a summary of everything I got. Match, Teladoc, Corsair, TTCF, and also Etsy on the 19th. 20th, I got AMT. 23rd, I got more Etsy. And then, as you can see here, we are in the third, this is the third buying session. So the goal was to spend roughly 7K per buying session. We spent a little bit over, we should be at 21K, but we went over by about $53. So for the next buying session, I'm going to try and cut it by $53 just to stay evenly balanced. And yeah, as you can see right now, the portfolio, it is up 0.96%. I have a profit of $200 roughly. But the thing is, the spider is up 3.09%, so we're actually losing to the spider by 2.13%. But as I said earlier, this doesn't really matter. It's just been a few days, and then we're playing this for the long run, like 3, 5, 10 years out into the future. So we'll see how it goes then. Last slide is final notes. If you haven't figured out by now, my goal is to outperform the spider, which is like the S&P 500, which is kind of like the market averages, do better than average, and that's why I'm making this YouTube, just to record my progress. And if you're interested in the Google Sheet comparing my performance to the Spider, which is listed right here along with other portfolios I have, feel free to click the link in the description if you want. And also check out the discussions tab. Sometimes I post updates on the discussion tabs in case I can't post a video and I just want to get some info out there. So if you want to check out the discussion tab, click discussion, and really important, click sort by newest first. For some reason, I don't know why YouTube doesn't always put the newest comment at the top. So just to make sure you can see the newest one, click newest first. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.